It is said that for success, it takes a lot of hard work, knack, and lots of good luck. And when this good luck comes in the forms of blessings and guidance of our teachers who are amazing, nothing beats it. So I would like to thank all our dear mentors of the White Army for supporting us, for guiding us, and for making us better students each day. Thank you very much and wish you all a happy Teachers' Day.
Namaste and a very happy Teachers' Day to all our mentors for having accepted our request to teach wholeheartedly and made this period of pandemic worthwhile for all the medical students across the country. Thank you.
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. A very happy Teachers' Day to you all. I am very happy to have learned from you all, dear mentors. Thank you so much for mentoring us.
As soon as I entered my 4th year, lockdown started, and which deprived us of any clinical exposure. But White Army gave us an opportunity to make clinical presentations and have excellent discussion by various subject experts. For this, I thank all the wonderful teachers and especially Dr. Kishan Rao sir who coordinated this entire teaching program.
It's my pleasure to thank all the mentors and teachers for constantly guiding young medicos like me for making a better tomorrow and giving your valuable time to make the best utilization of our time during this pandemic. Thank you.
First of all, I want to wish all my teachers a happy Teachers' Day. On the occasion of this day, I would like to thank all my respected mentors, teachers of the White Army family for teaching and guiding us in spite of their busy schedule, especially during this COVID crisis.
It's a moment of immense joy and pleasure to thank all our teachers on this very special occasion. A big thanks to all the White Army teachers and mentors who have been dedicating their valuable time to teach us. Also, I would like to thank all my seniors and juniors, especially Kishan Anna, who with his noble ideologies has created a noble platform, the White Army.
I am very thankful to all the White Army family teachers for providing the interactive sessions during the lockdown period, and happy Teachers' Day to all.
Hello everyone, wishing a very happy Teachers' Day to all the mentors of our White Army. Thank you for guiding us as well as providing us knowledge in these times, helping us fall in love with medicine again, hoping for your blessings and your teachings in the future as well. Thank you.
Whatever we are and whatever we are going to be, it's all because of you teachers. Thank you for everything and happy Teachers' Day. We all will make you proud.
On this occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to thank all of you, all my mentors and guide of White Army for being constantly supporting us and helping us in our medical career. Thank you so much, sirs and ma'ams.
Hi, this is Melvin Mabin, final year student from HIMS Hassan. Thank you to all the wonderful teachers and mentors of White Army for taking time off your busy schedules and sharing your valuable knowledge with us and teaching us with such enthusiasm.
Sadgurubhyo Namaha. Namaste and a very warm happy Teachers' Day to each and every one of you for having shared your knowledge and precious time and teaching us the most important lesson of being empathetic to everyone we see. On this special day, we would like to offer our deepest gratitude to each and every one of you and constantly seek your blessings and guidance in all our future endeavors.
Vidya dadati vinayam, vinaya dadati patratam. Education or true knowledge brings us humility, and the humility makes us the worthy. We are indeed grateful to the teachers and mentors of the White Army who are not only imparting knowledge but also molding us to be the best, bestowing their wisdom. We are solemnly and reverentially thank them for all the dedication they put in to train us and also seek their blessings, guidance and support throughout. In the White Army, we the like-minded medicos, we are learning from everyone. Undaksharam peldavam gurum. If someone has taught us a single letter, we consider them as a teacher. So we really appreciate the efforts of all those who volunteer to present the cases and contribute study materials and help us study better. And we are indebted to the core members of the White Army who are working relentlessly to make it better and better. Along with academics, we have also learned and imbibed so many virtues from them, especially how to be selfless, how to be a good human being. Ever grateful, ever thankful.